think I'm sick. Am I sick? Yellow.
Oh, Mandy, I'm glad you picked up. I went and got tested for COVID today, and it came back positive.
Taking a trip to Mandy's house. Making stuff is what we're all about. She will show you how to make stuff too. Make all of your dreams come true. It's Mandy, how dandy. It's Mandy's house.
Mandy, somebody at your party had the coronavirus, and now we're all sick. Well, except for Paranoid Patty. He's doing fine. I already called everyone else to let them know we have to stay home and get tested. We all need to quarantine.
Oh my gosh.
Who do you think gave it to us?
That's your luck. No, that's your luck. It's late at night, early in the morning. That's your luck. No, that's your luck.
Not sure. Thanks, Sasha, for letting me know. I will get quarantining right away. What was I thinking having a party during a global pandemic? How could I be so irresponsible?
It's okay, Mandy. We're young and resilient. We're gonna make it through, but I hope old Potato will pull through.
Yeah, me too. Okay, well, I'm gonna go now.
I'll tell her you say get well. Talk to you later, honey. Bye.
Bye. Geez, stuck at home again. I guess since I'm sick, I'll have to take care of my body. Whenever I was sick, my grandma always made me soup. So that's what we're going to do today. Luckily, I know of a great soup recipe. I learned it from a mug.
Hiya, Mandy.
Oh, hey, mushroom soup mug. You're just the mug I was looking for. Let me read your ingredients and see if I have everything in my kitchen. 2 cups finely chopped mushrooms, 4 tablespoons flour, 1/4 teaspoon dry mustard, a 1/2 cup butter, 1/4 cup whipping cream, 1/4 cup finely chopped chives, 1/4 cup sherry, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups chicken broth, and 2 cups half and half.
Hey, my eyes are up here.
Oh, sorry, mushroom mug. I'm going to go to the kitchen now and see if I have all the ingredients. I'll be right back. Okay, I think we have everything we need. Hello, I'm Mandy, and welcome to the Feline Chef. Today, we're going to be making a cream of mushroom soup. Right here with my little buddy. A wonderful dish to eat by yourself or with green beans. First, let's wash our hands. I'll meet you over by the sink. Washing your paws is a great way to get rid of germs. Don't want to get sick twice. Today I'm using a Happy Face soap by Baby Fox Forever. I love it because it smells like Fruit Loops and it's a smiley face. So cute. You can get this soap and other soaps at babyfoxforever.com. Gotta keep clean. And we're back. Now let's prepare our ingredients. The recipe calls for 2 cups of mushrooms chopped. We have green onions instead of chives today. They're going to be chopped. And there's going to be some garlic and onions. That's my special recipe. That's going to also be chopped. So let's chop those, and then we will prepare the rest of the ingredients.
Chopping time, pick up your knife, it's chopping time. Chopping onion, chop them fine. Don't cut your finger, it's chopping time. Garlic time, smash your garlic, it's garlic time. Put it in a grinder, grind and wine. Smells so good, it's garlic time.
Okay, now that we have all of our ingredients prepped, what do you think we add first?
Butter, Mandy, the butter!
Oh, okay, we'll add the butter first.
My diet starts tomorrow.
Ooh, look at that butter melt.
And then we'll add
The mushrooms!
the mushrooms. The mushrooms, right. Thank you, Mug.
What's that smell? Smells like you're cooking something.
Now I think we're simmering and everything's going to be fine. Right, Mug?
Don't burn the house down.
Right.
I put in the onions and let them cook down with the butter and the mushrooms. Next, I'm adding the garlic. Smells so good.
Now that everything is softening and browning, we're going to be adding flour. This will thicken up the soup. It's a little bit like making a roux. Do you know what a roux is? I don't, so I looked it up. And a roux is a mixture of fat and flour. And that provides base sauce for soups and sauces. It's just half oil and half flour. It makes a lot of things taste good.
Here's the flour.
Mmm.
The flour will caramelize on the bottom of the pot. Don't worry if it gets stuck because we will deglaze the pot later with sherry.
Now, you may be wondering, what is sherry? Well, I'm here to tell you that sherry is a type of fortified wine. I found mine in the vinegar aisle next to the other cooking wines. But sherry is a fortified wine. This means that they add brandy to it to increase the alcohol content from 12% to 17%.
Now we deglaze the bottom of the pan.
I like a heavy pour. Don't be cheap.
Pour the sherry in and scrape all the flour flavor off the bottom.
Oh, I'm getting a little tipsy here. Put in more.
Now, there are two types of sherry. One for drinking and one for cooking. And you can use the drinking one for cooking, but you can't drink the cooking one. This is because they put extra salt and preservatives in the cooking sherry, and it's really not good to drink. Mug, did you know sherry was Shakespeare's favorite wine?
Don't breathe on me with your corona breath.
How about that?
Now we pour in the water, and I put in a bouillon cube to make broth. Make sure it's mixed together. Next, I put in our green onions.
Here go the chives. Okay, looks like our broth is heating up. It's time to add the last ingredients, the whipping cream and the other cream that's the half and half. That's freaking creamy.
Is that vegan?
I didn't think it was going to be so creamy.
Get all that creamy goodness. Mmm.
Oh well. Very interesting. It smells really good, like garlic and mushrooms. Well, Mushroom Mag, thanks for the recipe. This is a really weird soup, but I think it'll be fine. Now, for a taste test. I have a spoon here. We're going to try the soup now. Alright? Is that okay with everyone? Let's see what it tastes like.
Open wide.
It tastes like really good, actually. That tastes really good. Oh my gosh, Mug, you did a great job. For those of you out there that can't try this soup right now, it's pretty good. It's very creamy, and it's got a great earthiness and mushroom flavor. I really like it. I think I'm going to have myself a big bowl right now.
I hope your hands are clean. Ooh, fill me up. I'm full of cream.
Well, thanks for joining us on this adventure into making our mushroom soup. I'll see you next time on the Feline Chef. Toodaloo! Great show. I wonder what else is on.
Did we DVR that cooking show?
Even when I'm not fighting for my life, I'll be asked to do something weird. Would you want to watch me work out in a baggy sweatsuit?
I'd like to sip that.
Here's what you need. How to Relax. Just start reading it. See if it doesn't make you feel better.
Change the channel.
I'm just an average American. But I'm an American. And some of the things I see in this country of ours make my blood boil. I see people with foreign money. I see Negroes holding jobs that belong to me and you. Now I ask you, if we allow this thing to go on, what's going to become of us real Americans?
Oh my God.
I've heard this kind of talk before, but I never expected to hear it in America.
Ian? Well, how about a date? Well,
really? No thanks, Woody.
While under the influence of marijuana, his blood pressure increases. He feels unusual hunger and his central nervous system changes. His perception of depth and dimensions is radically changed. A low curb appears as a precipice.
Why, cold germs can fly farther than Miss May can blow the feather. Cold germs can fly 8 feet to another child's nose, hand, or food.
Boring.
Your stomach's like an engine and food is just like fuel. The fuel goes in and the engine works. It's a simple rule. Your stomach is quite clever. It knows its chemistry. It churns the food and turns the food into energy.
And as the days go by, he looks for more kicks, more escape from the troubles he brings on himself. Each time he feels the need for kicks or he's troubled, he returns to marijuana.
Saw it. Hot stuff coming through. I'd put a spoon in that.
They learn that flowers, like children, need plenty of sunshine, water, good food, and moderate temperature to make them grow.
We'll never be able to call this country our own until it's a country without. Without what? Yeah, without what? Without Negroes. Without alien foreigners. Without Catholics. Without Freemasons. You know these people.
What's wrong with the Masons? I'm a Mason.
Now. Yeah.
What everyone is inherently in themselves seems to be just radiating out of them, because there isn't any context around them to limit or jacket or make them less than what they simply and innately are.
I'm glad I've got a stomach. It makes my life complete. It's very fond of pizza pie and tasty roasted meat.
If you have a cold, stay home. Stay in bed. This is the prescription which common sense and medical science recommend. Medicines, but only those your doctor prescribes. No others. Warmth, rest, which you can get best when you stay in bed. And while you're there, you might as well make the best of it.
Wow, that soup is really great.
I'm full of cream.
Oh, it's time for me to take a nap. That's how my body's gonna heal itself. Remember to like and subscribe this video. I release new videos every month, so click the little bell, make sure you get the next video. Special thanks to my patrons. You can support me on Patreon at www.patreon.com/babyfoxforever. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay cute. I love you. Bye.